Hello students, welcome back to Tejas classes. I hope you are all doing very well. In today's session, we'll be looking into the Neolithic age of prehistoric period in ancient history series. This is the lecture 3 and we have covered lecture 1, lecture 2 regarding Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. We have studied the development, that is change in the climate, development of human and the development of tools, and what are the other developments. In Neolithic age, we'll see the further development, that is how the man has changed from the Mesolithic period to Neolithic period. Before starting our session, please join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel where you can find the daily quizzes and free PDF materials which are essential for your examinations. And do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and please support us and encourage us to post more and more videos like this. See, in the first two videos we have seen the Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. Now we are going to cover the Neolithic age. What is the time period? From 8000 BC to 4000 BC, Neolithic period was there. See, now again the meaning of Neolithic. Neo means new, according to the Greek terminology. Lithic, you already know, means stone. See, if you have not seen the Paleolithic and Mesolithic period, please do watch those videos, because without watching those videos you can't relate to this Neolithic period. Those are very short videos, you can watch it easily. So please do watch the old videos and then watch this Neolithic period. Now see, again evolution of man, I have clearly explained what is this. In lower to middle Paleolithic, he was Homo erectus. And when was the first modern human appeared? In the upper Paleolithic age. As the climate changed, the human man has also changed his posture. And what are the climatic conditions called? See, up to Paleolithic age it is known as Pleistocene period, and after in Mesolithic and Neolithic we'll call it as Holocene period. Now coming to the Neolithic age. See, as I already explained in the previous videos, same thing. Just seeing the picture, you can differentiate the differences between the Mesolithic, Paleolithic and Neolithic. So what can you see in this picture? You can see the people are wearing the clothes. Yeah, it is also started in Mesolithic. But what is the main difference you can see here? Yeah, the houses construction, the design has been changed. Initially they used the straw and mud. Now they have started constructing the rectangular houses. Initially houses were like this, right? Now they have started the constructing the rectangular houses. And one more thing, they have started domesticated of animals in the Mesolithic only. See, here you can see the pigs, sheep, domestication of animals started. And one more thing, this Neolithic age is also termed as Neolithic revolution. Why? Because drastic changes have come from Mesolithic to Neolithic. Many developments have seen in this Neolithic age. We'll see one by one. And what these people are doing, see here, they are doing the agriculture, that is cultivating the plants, and they are making the pottery also. See here, why? Because as they have cultivated the food, they need something for the storage, so they have invented the pottery. As a saying is there, no, necessity is the cause for, that is a source for all the inventions. When there is a need, man thinks beyond his imaginations, and then he invents something. Now let us see by the line by line. It is also termed as Neolithic revolution. Okay, man turned into a food producer from a food gatherer. See, initially what ancient man used to do, he used to search for the food, hunt for the food, okay, for himself. Now he has started producing the crops. So he started agriculture, he produced the crops, and he has started selling those crops in exchange of something. We see what is that something. Now, cultivated land and grew fruits and corn like ragi and horse gram. Very important, guys. See, cultivated land and grew fruits and corn like ragi and horse gram. Kulati, it is also known. And domesticated cattle, sheep and goats. Initially they have domesticated only dogs, sheep and goats, but now cattle also they have started domestication. When cattle comes, so they have collected milk from the cattle also. Milk have been seen by these people. Now Pottery appeared in this phase on a large scale. I have already said you, if agriculture has come, they need to store their production. So they have started this pottery, and large number of pottery designs that the pots have been made in this period. Handmade pottery was made, but later on food pottery was used to make pots. Initially, they used to make with the help of the hands. Again, with the period, gradually they have started using the foot wheel. Now, the people of Neolithic age lived in a rectangular circular houses which were made of mud and reeds. Yeah, here you can see the image clearly. What are the houses, the shape of the houses? It is rectangular in a shape. In the Mesolithic, they were in a round shape. Actually they were not in a proper shape, irregular shape. They just used the straws and mud for constructing, but now they have constructed a structural thing. It is a rectangular or circular houses, and they have started making the boats also. See here, you can see the boats, and people are fishing, make boats, and could spin cotton wool and weave cloth. See, major development. In Mesolithic, they used the skin of the animal for the clothing, but now they have started collecting the cotton wool and spinning it, and also weaving the cloth, which in turn there was a start in the change in clothing. Next, they inhabited mainly the hilly river valleys, rock shelters, and the slope of the hills. See, though these major developments are being going on, they have not changed the major place, because as I already told you, the water is the main source for the drinking, and the hill is or mountain is the main source for the stones for making the tools. So they have not moved away from these places, but though they have made the semi-permanent settlements, but coming to Neolithic, they have made permanent settlements. See here, this is a permanent settlement. Now coming to the tools, very very important. See, the people used microlithic blades in addition to tools made of polished stones. I've already seen Mesolithic, they also use microlithic, but they have used the polished stones also. The use of cells was specially important for ground and polished hand axes. See, here you can see this is known as celt. These are the famous tools which were used in the Neolithic period, and you can see the pot also very well designed and painted also. So this was the starting of, it is a pottery in the Neolithic age. They also used tools and weapons made of bones such as needles, scrapers, borers, arrowheads. So these have started already in the Mesolithic age, and they continued the same. The use of new polished tools made it easier for humans to cultivate, hunt, and perform other activities in a better manner. So making the polished tools made them easier for cultivation, that is for agriculture, and for hunting, and for performing other activities. Here you can see the latest tools of Neolithic age. See, these stones, see what they have done, they use it for grinding that ragi jawar which they have produced. They use it for grinding it into a powder, and these are the axes, and these are the sweats. These are the modern tools of Neolithic age. And what are the important Neolithic sites? Very important. See, Kodiva and Magara lying south of Allahabad. Okay. See, circular routes along with crude handmade pottery, oldest evidence of rice. And this is the place where we have found in basically the first rice we have found in this period, where it is lying south of Allahabad, Koldiva and Magara. And Mergar, Balochistan, now it is in Pakistan. Houses built of sun-dried bricks and cultivated crops like cotton and wheat. See, the bricks manufacturing has started from Neolithic period only. And Purzom, Kashmir, what they have found, domestic dogs were buried along with their masters in the grave. See, in the Mesolithic period, what they used to do, they used to bury the dead body along with the food items and the goods which they have used. Coming to Neolithic, they have started burying the dead person along with the domesticated dog. Now, Gufral, Kashmir, pit dwelling, stone tools, and graveyards in houses. Initially, they used to bury the dead body outside, but in this period, they have started burying the dead bodies in the houses only. And where it is found, Gufral, Kashmir. Now, Pikilal, Brahmagiri, Maski, Takalakota, Halur. These places are in Karnataka. So what they have found, these people were cattle herders, domesticated sheep and goats. Ash molds have been found. So they have made molds using the ash, and they have started domesticated cattle, sheep and goats. Yeah, now again the classification. We have completed the Neolithic age, the important site, the important tools and the major changes. Now let us revise the classification of prehistoric period. We have seen the Stone Age right now. Under Stone Age, what is there? Let me clear up this. Under Stone Age, we have seen Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and in today's video, we have completed Neolithic age. And what is the time period? 2 million BC to 4000 BC. We have completed in 3 videos. See, very simple, guys. Stone Age, learning of Stone Age is very easy. You need to just remember the sites. When you revise once or twice, it is more than enough for this. And now in the upcoming video we'll be looking about the Chalcolithic age. Chalcolithic means in this period they have found copper. Okay, they have found copper and they have mixed the stone to make the tools. So this period is termed as Chalcolithic, and after this comes the metal age. What is the metal age? Which metal is found in this period? Iron. In this period iron was found. See, iron, sorry, yeah, iron was formed. And when this period was spanned, 1500 BC to 200 BC. So this is the major broad classification of prehistoric period. Now what are remaining? See, bronze age is remaining, metal age is remaining. So we'll look into this in the next videos. That's it all for today's, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and support us and encourage us to post more and more videos. Now all the best for your examinations. Have a good day. Bye.